Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to the settings button so we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have to find the press and hold shutter button option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot and defocus. So let's stay on burst shot and let's move back to the camera. Now when we tap to the shutter button a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. So let me show you. And here we can see the countdown. So this is our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.